Okay, just tell me whether you're able to see my screen or
Yes, sir.
can you see
Yes,
now? Okay,
I'm. Yes,
fine.
sir. It is visible.
Okay, so we have started with the flow control in Java. That means a conditional based programming. Apart from this, we learn if and also if else. And even though we have done some
Yes.
programming, I think even odd number, and also I given some
Yes,
task
sir.
as well for the leaf or error or something. We have done. Now in
Yes,
if
you
else,
have
there
done.
is a one more thing that is known as a multiple condition checking. Whenever you want to check a multiple conditions at a time, so at that time there are if you need to write conditions in brackets. For the second condition, you can write else and if. Second conditions. For the third condition, you may write one more else. Means if you want to check a multiple condition like this, you can keep on writing else if, else if, else if, else if, and at the end you can write else. Okay. So this concept is known as else if ladder. Else if ladder. Okay. Means for checking
Yes,
multiple
sir.
condition. Best example it's suited for this is the grade systems, student grade systems. Okay. So now we have to develop the
Yes.
programs. So it's simple programs. All the concept will be get revised. So basically, the program should be you need to accept some subject marks. Okay, maybe 3 or 5 subject marks from user. Okay, and we need to calculate the total percentage, and the based on percentage, we need to print grade as well. Okay, so for calculating
Yes.
calculating grade, we need to use this. Fine. So let's start this program step by step. Even though we have learned logical and this logical or, right? So for checking two
Yes, sir.
condition, we are going to use this logical and also. So let's create that simple program so that all the concept will be get revised. So we are already have our project is open. So let's me create one more file so we can close all the existing files. No worries. Let me close this also, and this. The project name is a school. You can find here the school. Okay, scroll it down, arrow, down arrow. This is a package. Okay, just right click on this package, new class. Fine. So I'll store as stud result main class. Goes. So now start with the programming. First job is to accept 5 different marks or 3 different marks, 3 subject marks. So for taking input, we have a scanner class. We can write scanner sc equal to new scanner CANNER system dot in SYSTEM system dot in. So we can import this within java.util package. Fine. Then we'll use some variables. For example, we want to store 3 subject marks or 5 subject marks, S1, S2, S3, S4, and S5. These are the 5 subjects. Even though you want to store a total as well, we'll take total as well as a percentage. All the variable are type integer, so we have taken like this. Okay. There is no need to
Yes.
create integer S1, integer S2. If you have same data types, just declare it once and add a
Yes.
comma,
And
comma,
one.
comma. So that you can create all the different variable at one place. Right. So we have scanner class also. We have all the variables that we needed for the programming or for the storing variable. Now job is to store the value, accept the value. So initially we write a message, assume that ENTR enter subject one marks MARKS. Right? This is and how to store that marks. Suppose subject one marks is equal to SC dot for accepting integer next int.
Next int.
Perfect. So in the similar
Yes,
manner,
sir.
we need all these things for 5 times subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, subject 3 marks, subject 4 marks, subject 5 marks. Even though we need to change this message also for second variable, third variable, fourth one, and the fifth one. There are 5 different subject marks we needed. We accepted them.
Yes, sir.
Now, job is to calculate the totals. So for storing total, we have a variable as a TTL equal to, simply we'll do S1
Yes.
plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5.
S5.
So we'll get the total. And for now, our job is to calculate percentage. So for calculating percentage, don't use that divide 100 multiply 100. It's very simple formula. Just divide a total divided by number of subject. That's all. Okay. In Java,
Yes.
semicolon is a compulsory. We need to write semicolon every. So let's check this first, whether we are getting a total and percentage or not. So let me write some matches. Total marks MARKS colon equal to comma TTL, not comma. What we need to use here?
Plus sign.
Plus sign. Okay. Yeah. So in a
Okay.
similar manner for percentage, let me write in red color. So I mentioned ARR. So PERCENTAGE percentage. Like you can write anything with double quote, doesn't matter. It will be print as it is. Plus what PER.
PER.
So let's
Yes.
verify this whether the all things is correct or not. So let me right click this, run as Java application. So program is start running. Enter subject 1 marks. It is maybe out of 100. So write 88, 45, 78, 98, 65. Okay. So means we are getting
Yes.
374 marks. So even we can mention out of how many you are getting this and percentage as well. Okay. So to specify the out
Yes.
of marks, we need to write some concatenation here. So the concatenation will be a plus like this. Means out of it may be a 500, right? Like this. Then even though we can write here uh, percent symbol as well. Okay. Let's check now how it look. Let's run this program once again. Where it is. Hello. Yeah. Perfect. Hmm. So let's, this program is running now. And a subject would mark 75, enter 98, 578, 588, 578. 5 subject marks. So out of 500, we are getting, okay, with this bracket should be here.
417.
Yeah, you need to add. Percentage is perfect. Yes. So it is working fine, no worries. So just we need to, this should be here. Okay. Out of 500, you are getting something marks based on the total marks,
Yes.
the percentages. Now our job is to print grades as well. Okay. For printing
Yes.
grade, the based on percentage, we need to specify the grade. So, very first thing that assume if we are having a
Else.
PER is a variable, if it is a greater than equal to 75, then system.out.print
Then
a plus grade.
yes.
Yes.
Now, for checking second condition, we write else and if. Okay,
Okay.
else. In Python, we write elif, but in other language, it else. Second condition is percentage should be less than 75, and we are not using this and because we are using
We're
logic.
using the yes.
Logical. It is less than
Yes.
75 and greater than equal to 60. If this is their PER, then you can print a grade system as what?
A.
A. Oh,
A.
okay, let me copy
Yes.
this first. Remove this, copy this, paste it here as a A. Perfect. Then
Yes.
Yes.
copy the similar things for the second para. Percentage should be less than 60 and
60.
greater than 50.
55.
Just 50. Then B
Okay.
grade. One more time. Percentage less than 50 and the greater than equal to 40. So that
40.
we can consider that C grade
B.
C.
Yes. C.
performance. Okay, directly we can write to fail as well.
Yes.
So for last
D
condition, there
or
is no
fail.
need to mention if, directly you can write else. So apart from you will get anything, so that will be considered as, sorry, fail. So 1 second. लेक्चर चालू है लेक्चर. हाँ पेनर है. हाँ लेक्चर है ठीक है. SYS SYS, so you can write directly as a fail. SYS fail. FAI. Perfect. So
Yes.
all
Yes,
formats
sir.
are set. Now let's check this whether working fine or not. We'll make this program, again a modification. We'll do a lot of things. We'll complete this program today. So let's run this program 1 second. So we are having a marks. Assume that 78, 55, 78, 56, 78. So it is we are having A grade. Why? Because it's
Yes.
under a 71. So if
Yes.
less than 75 and greater than 60, so it is a A grade.
Yes. So
Perfect.
it's A. Yes.
So let's me as get some failed marks. So now it is failed
Fail.
because
Yes.
percentage is just 26. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
But
things are
sir,
working.
earlier the grade was coming in between total marks and percentage.
Where?
The grade, like it came A, right? It was
Uh,
coming between total marks and the percentage.
yeah, no, not total mark, only the percentage based on percentage.
No, no, it was coming between. So is it like it's dependent? It's depend on Java, like whatever it's right.
No, I'm not getting you on. Like, what is your confusion? See, this is the total marks.
Yes.
Based on total, we are obtaining 133. That means 26%.
Yes.
Based on 23%, your grade is means 26 is less than 40. So for less than 40, we have written the condition as fail.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and what is your question now?
Like, can you read it again once?
Yeah, okay, fine. Now,
Yeah, like, enter the marks.
any marks?
Yes, yes.
So let's me add some all good marks. 78 and 86. So it is greater than 75. So we'll get as
Yes.
A plus. The percentage ill fitted in which situation or which condition, accordingly we'll get the output. So now we are having 85 means it's a greater than 75. That's why getting A plus.
Yes.
Okay. In general, this
Yes.
is happening. Now we'll modify some this program, because this program is, though it is accepting marks, calculating total, printing percentage, and printing grade, but there is one problem. We'll make it program so much perfect. So how we'll make it perfect? What if I enter a marks 105, it is get accepted?
But in last it will get error.
No, it will not give any errors, because we are not written
But
any conditions.
Yes.
yes,
So though our program is
it will
correct,
come
but
A
something
plus.
this is wrong.
Yes.
Now tell me how we can solve this problem. What should we, where need to be added conditions, and how it would be?
We can use
Hmm.
uh, catch to create a error for that, so it will not print the value more than 100.
Okay. Not catch, because it is not exception. No?
Yes.
If it is an exception, then we can use a catch. So things
Yes.
general, how we can protect. So, you know, before printing total and marks, it should be, like give the message invalid marks.
We can write an if statement
Hmm.
that you have entered the marks higher than 100. You should enter the valid marks.
Where should I write the condition? How? That is the only question. No?
Before entering the number.
Um,
Before
Instead
sign.
of before entering a number, even you can check at the last also. No?
Yes, at the
Like,
last
you
it
know,
can mention.
even we can accept all the marks at one place, right? After having all the marks, you can add condition here. And what condition should be that you should answer? How should you write a condition, or what
If
condition should be?
if the number if n-
If we can write the total, like the percentage, either.
Not total now. See,
Yes, the
if the marks is
percentage.
invalid,
the
so we
number
not
Yeah.
going to calculate, and we are doing nothing
s
until you enter perfect mark. So we'll use simply if S1 greater than 100,
100.
means we can get 100 out of 100, but not greater than. First thing.
Yes.
And what second condition?
If S2 greater than 100.
We can mention all the condition at one place also, right?
Yes, sir.
How?
So we can also write S2, comma. No.
Not comma.
Yes.
If you enter
And
and, no,
And
if you enter and, what will be problem? It is compulsory check all the subject have either greater than 100 or not. And we have
yes.
one more logical operator, that is or. Or
uh,
means any subject if get greater than 100, then give the error message, right?
Okay,
yes.
So we'll
yes.
write either S1 is greater than 100, or S2 is a greater than 100, or S3 is a greater than 100. Anything. Apart from this, any subject have a greater than 100. S1, either S2, either S3, or S4, or S5.
S5.
If any subject have a greater than 100 marks, so simply give the message that is invalid marks. So invalid, marks. You can just write this error message like this, invalid marks, or even you can give the proper message, PLE, please enter marks below 100. Okay, enter
Yes.
marks marks up to 100. 100. Perfect. If this or if all the marks are correct, then only the else part is get executed. And this else should be
Yes.
ended after all this thing. Perfect. Now let's
Yes, sir.
check, run this file. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Invalid
Yes,
marks.
sir.
Please enter marks up to 100.
100.
100.
Now, if I enter the marks wrong for subject 5, even you can enter marks subject wrong for any subject. Suppose I'm writing 101 in 5, 78, 78, and 12. Still, you are getting invalid because subject 1 have a wrong mark.
Yes,
You
because
can get the
first, yes.
0 marks. Okay, that is possible to have a 0 marks, but not this. So let's me enter all the good marks. Okay, 77, 55, 45, 35. Perfect. So now we are having
Yes, sir.
properly a marks grade as well as. Okay, is there anything we need a validation for this?
No.
No, sir.
No.
We are accepting marks out of 100. If there is a marks
Yes,
greater
and
than
we are
100,
also.
we are
Yes.
protecting. We
Yes.
are printing total. We are printing percentage, and even we are getting all the things grade as well.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
perfect
sir.
student result system programs. So now see, we started Java. We are up to that level. We can do simple this kind of calculation or this kind of programs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Uh, I will provide you one task. Okay, that is little bit, you need to think about it, but you can try. Not that much problems. Okay, just try to understand the problems, and it is quite interesting as well. See, you have any idea about the loan system,
Yes, sir.
how loan work?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there are some terms are there in loan. You know, there is a terms called
Yes.
EMI. There is a
EMI. Yes.
term
Yes.
Monthly.
called a tenure. Have
Yes.
you aware about this?
Yes, sir.
Rate of interest. What do you mean by EMI?
The monthly payment we pay.
Monthly.
Hmm? Tenure means
I just know about EMI.
Brahmajot, you know about
Means
tenure?
legally to hold something, property or a land, like.
Yeah, that also you can declare. But in terms of loan, means assume that you have taken loan amount as a 5 lakh, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
for the year of suppose 2 year YAR, right? Then
Yes.
that is based on rate of interest. You can say that 8.5.
Yes.
So you have taken the loan for 2 years. That means how many EMI you need to pay? That should be get calculated based on tenure. So this is means 2 year means number of tenure should be 2 into number of months.
Yes.
In 1 year we have 12 months, so that will become
20.
24. So total EMI you need to pay how much? That is 24. But the question is how much EMI should you have based on this 5 lakh rupees? Okay. So you need to find some formula for, your job is to find the monthly EMI.
Yes.
Okay.
Monthly EMI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can take a help on Google as well to get the calculate the formulas. Doesn't matter. But
Yes.
your program should be how it will take some finding or taking some help. That is fine. Your job is to be. I will just enter three things. What three things? I will
Yes.
just
The
enter.
EMI and
No, I know. I'm not going to enter AMI. I just enter loan amount,
No, no, ma'am. 10
how much loan amount I'm taking,
yes,
and for how many
and
years.
the years.
Only years. Your job is to be YEAR. Your job is to calculate the number of
The
tenure.
rate.
Okay. How many? Even though you
Yes.
can take a rate of interest from user,
Yes.
because for formula you need a three things: loan amount, year, and rate of interest.
Yes.
And based on that, you need
Yes.
to find a total EMI you need to pay. That means a tenure, and what should be your monthly EMI.
Okay, sir.
Okay, EMI.
Yes.
A little bit challenging. I'm just challenging your skill, but you know all the things: how to take an input, how to calculate, how to add a if
Yes.
else, how to do the calculation. Only thing is that you need to find a right formula for calculate EMI. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so based on that, you need to do this program. Okay, just try yourself. If not done, we'll do it better way. Okay, tomorrow. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problems. The rest thing will continue
Yes.
tomorrow. So no worries. Bye bye.
Good night, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Good evening.